Hey there, folks. Greg Shepard here, S&A Financial Services. I specialize in helping folks in higher education get the most out of that oftentimes confusing higher ed retirement plan. So today's video, short video, we're going to talk about, focus a little bit on interest-only payments from that TIAA Traditional investment. A lot of you, not a lot of you, some of you have sent me emails just questioning the nuances. Is there anything you're missing around these interest-only payments? From the TIAA Traditional, they become more popular. To be quite honest and upfront, I haven't really dealt with it too much in the past being well over 12 months, because the peak of these interest rates was really November of 2022. So certainly prior to that, I really haven't dealt much with the interest-only payment because the interest generated wasn't that attractive. Okay, times have changed. It has become more attractive. Therefore, it could become an attractive option for you in your situation. Make sure you contact TIAA, or feel free to contact me or any family investment advisor that specializes in higher ed retirement plans. So the idea, the theory behind interest-only payments from TIAA Traditional is just that. It's pretty simple. It's so simple, I got a cheat sheet here I'm going to recite. You're receiving interest, okay? So I've heard a lot of you've emailed me. Again, contract specific, make sure you contact TIAA on your specific situation. But you're looking at, depending upon the contract, looking at about 6%. We're in July, getting ready to dump into August of 2023. That's important if you're listening to this in the future, because rates do change. But again, could be an attractive option / feature for that TIAA Traditional that I haven't implemented really in the past being, again, 12 months. Now, let me go over some of these notes that I've highlighted just to make sure I'm giving you all the information. I'm not going to be able to give you all the information, okay, in a 3, 4, or 5 minute video. Just to spur those thoughts that there are strategies out there that you may not know about that maybe you should be thinking about. Okay, give me time as I stare at these notes here. Okay, so the TIAA Traditional interest-only payment is only going to be good for, depending upon your institution and contract, RA, so retirement annuity, GRA, retirement select, and retirement choice plans. Okay, now let's just keep going here. Let's see, you don't need to initiate all. So you don't need to initiate 100% of that TIAA Traditional for interest-only payments. You could do a portion of it. The principal remains intact while you receive the interest payments. The payments include the contractually guaranteed interest plus the additional amounts declared above and beyond that guaranteed amount. If rates change, so does your income under this option. Okay, changes are effective every March 1st. Just a couple more sentences here. So after receiving income for at least 1 year, this is important. So after receiving income for at least 1 year, you can convert your accumulation and receive income under a lifetime annuity. Sorry, I think it was my email. Let me repeat that. After receiving income for at least 1 year, you can convert your accumulation and receive income under a lifetime annuity. Okay. Additionally, for RA and GRA contracts, you can convert the accumulation to minimum distribution payments or a TPA payment method. So, and things kind of change when you hit that R&D age. Okay. So there's some strategies around that as well. But again, you need to do it for at least 1 year, and then you can maybe re-strategize as to what you want to do with that TIAA Traditional money. Where this makes sense, there's not a one-size-fits-all. For some folks, maybe you don't want to you don't know what to do yet, but you want some income. You can do it for a year, take advantage of the high interest rates, take the interest as income for a portion, 20, 30% of your total retirement portfolio. But again, there's so many different variables that of course I don't know your situation. So I just want to make sure you understand that is an option, okay? And it's a more attractive option than it's been in the past, just due to high interest rates. Okay, in the past I probably wouldn't even have advocated this option. I'm not necessarily advocating it now. I just want to make sure you're aware of this information. Okay. If you want to check out your situation, just contact me and or talk to TIAA. All right, folks. Greg Shepard here, S&A Financial Services. Go out and have a good one. All right, take care. Bye-bye.